Hello again guys, welcome to this video. Welcome to Money Warrior. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make well over $400 online passively. So as I went through before in the previous video, I showed you exactly how I've made that kind of money through what's called affiliate marketing. Now I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process on what you actually need to do to actually start earning this kind of money. So things you need to take into consideration is the tools you're going to need and what you're going to need to do it. So for this part one, I'm going to show you. So what you're going to need is you need to go into Munchai and you need to find products. So what are these products? So these products are digital informational products. So that means products that can help you to do things such as, so let me just kind of click on one so I can see if I can get on here. Market Presser. So I just click on the JV page. So as you can see on here, what this basically does is it's a software that basically helps local businesses to function. Essentially, it helps them to generate revenue. It helps them to set up everything from, how to do the digital products, SEOs, translation and everything like that. It's pretty much an all-in-one package. So what you basically do is you make a video around this particular product, and then you title it just like I title my videos on here, like affiliate safari review, 24-hour blitz review, or clicking bank review. And when you make these review videos, because there's not very much competition, you're actually going to rank pretty well for these topics. So this is my main channel, as I'm showing you on here, where I make most of my money. I'm monetized on this channel, and then when I start getting commissions coming in here and here, it means that in a space of maybe like 4 days, I can make well over $380. It's quite as simple like that. You just need to keep repeating the process every single day if you're in lockdown and you're trying to make money during lockdown, or do it maybe once or twice a week and you can see the results. It really is that simple. And then the second thing you're gonna need is what's called Commission Gorilla. Now it's not essential to get this, but it pretty much streamlines your process. And when you have Commission Gorilla, it's gonna allow you to basically create pages that people can visit and collect what are called bonuses. So I'm gonna be showing you in another video coming up what exactly are bonuses, how you offer them, and how you can create bonuses, and how they can help you to sell a lot of these products as an affiliate. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in my next video where I'll show you exactly more in depth on what you have to do to get started. Thank you for watching this video. See you.